Hi and welcome to this video on how to add a credit card on Amazon. First, go to amazon.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner where it says hello, your name, and click on it. Then select your account. This will take you to a page where you can view all your account settings. Next, click on your payments, which will bring you to the payment page. As you can see, I currently only have my Zippay account linked and no credit card yet. To add a credit card, look to the left-hand side and click Add Payment Method. A window will pop up where you'll need to enter all your credit card details, including your name, card number, expiration date, and so on. After filling in the details, another window will appear showing your billing address, phone number, and card details. Once you've reviewed everything and are satisfied, click Save. It will then take you back to the payment page, and you'll see that the credit card you just added is now listed on the left-hand side. And that's how to add a credit card on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.